these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. Yeah.
Hey Glam Fam, welcome to my channel. Guys, I was at Dollar Tree and I saw these little disco balls and I was like, I gotta make something with these, guys. So y'all, we are going to use these disco balls to make 3 beautiful glam DIYs. Okay guys, we're going to use these mirrored wall decor pieces that I got from Dollar Tree. These disco balls, of course, they're from Dollar Tree. We're going to use 2 of those. And we are going to use these crystal diamonds that I also got from Dollar Tree. Now guys, these are really hard to find now, but they have them in different colors. So if you are going to duplicate this project, you can use the other diamonds. They have different colors. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started with this DIY. So here I'm just taking out the mirror and I'm taking off the backing. But guys, I am not going to take these off because I am going to use these in a future DIY soon. So I'm not going to take everything off of it. Okay guys, so we're just going to go ahead and put these crystal diamonds inside of here like so. And I want to say that if you are going to make this project and you want to keep it, you don't want your diamonds moving, then you can use some clear glue. I'm not going to use this clear glue. I'm going to, use these diamonds in a future project. And I'm also going to use these mirrors in a future project, so I don't want to mess it up. So all you would do is take your glue and just put it in this little crevice, and then you go ahead and put the diamonds on there and they will stay and they won't move. But I'm not doing that, y'all. I'm just giving y'all a demonstration. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and put our diamonds in. This DIY is going to be quick and simple. Okay guys, so this is how the tray turned out. I think it looks absolutely beautiful with these lotus flowers that I got from Burlington. Guys, I'm loving this tray. It was so simple, and Dollar Tree items, love it. Okay guys, so let's get into our second DIY. Okay guys, so for this DIY, we are going to use our disco balls as well. But I cut them in half, y'all, and I just used a knife. So it's so simple. You don't have to do anything spectacular. Okay guys, so I'm using these 2 canvases. They're black canvases that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use some gems that I got from Walmart, but Dollar Tree do sell gems, so you can check the store for those. I just didn't buy any more because I already had some. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. Look at that. I love it, y'all. And here it is with the lights off. Super cute, super gorgeous. Okay guys, so we have one more DIY, so let's get into it. Okay guys, so we're going to use 4 of these disco balls. We're going to use this mirror I got from Dollar Tree. We're going to use the puck light I got from Dollar Tree. We're going to use 5 of these napkin rings that I got from Dollar Tree. Y'all can see these are very, very old, but I keep them just in case I need them. And this lampshade, I did get this from At Home. It was $8.99, but they do have them at Dollar General, Family Dollar for like $5, and you know, some at Walmart as well. But I was already at the store about 3 months ago, and I saw these, and they always have them. So you know, y'all check it out. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take one of our disco balls, and we're going to glue it down onto the mirror. Okay guys, so I did cut this out. I forgot to tell you all, I was going to do something else with these, and I ended up cutting this out, but there's styrofoam in here, so I wanted it to be flat. So this is a way that it can be flat by cutting this out. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue the disco ball to the mirror. Okay guys, so I decided that 3 is going to be enough. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and keep adding our napkin rings to the top. Okay guys, so let me just show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this wrapping off. I'm going to glue this part to the napkin rings, and then I'm just going to go ahead and sit this on top like so, and there you go. Okay guys, so this is how our lamp turned out. I think it turned out beautifully. It was simple, it was quick, and it's Dollar Tree, all except for the lampshade, guys. I hope you enjoyed all 3 DIYs, and tell me which one is your favorite. So if you like what you see, or you got inspiration from what you saw, then please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Be blessed. I am.